Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sitting here in a wonderful little Porsche. This is a 1996 993 C4S X51. So it's a rest of world car. It has the larger 3.8 liter engine, which is, it's most likely the RS motor. It's funny when you get in the rabbit hole about it, but the reality is, why would Porsche make two different 3.8s? So, doesn't seem likely. So the power rating's 300 horsepower, just like the RS. The displacement is similar. There's some effort, I think, made to make you think they're different engines, and they could be. We don't pretend to know everything, but it seems rather unlikely that there would be multiple 3.8 motors, all for rest of world purposes. So, you know, the 993, it's a much more intimate experience. It's a smaller cockpit. It's a smaller platform. It has the absolutely wonderful doors that sound like a bank vault. You just don't get tired of that. I always tell people it's kind of like why you like fine jewelry. You don't necessarily need it, but there's definitely a really cool factor to it. It's very special. They don't make cars like this anymore. So for that reason, we will always love air-cooled 911s. I'm a little sad because I never bought one, so obviously the market went nuts on all the good air-cooled stuff, so I kind of feel like I lost my shot. You know, I have some beautiful water-cooled 911s, some wonderful GT cars that of course I love so much, but the reality is, you know, I do miss the fact that I probably won't get an air-cooled Porsche with their current pricing. It makes me sad. You know, I love these cars, but fortunately I have clients that have wonderful examples like this, and encourage me to drive them. So thank you to my wonderful clients for giving me the chance. I'll give you some footage in a little bit. I'll shoot another video, but I can't do too much tricky work with it since it's a stick shift and I have this handheld phone. So it'll be a cruising video, but love the air-cooled stuff. Love the 993. It is my favorite of all the air-cooled cars. I like the relative sophistication of the rear suspension. I prefer the styling, and the transmission is just much better for the real world, being a 6-speed. I always feel like the 5-speed cars, I always wish they had one more gear. Some of that's just me being finicky and funny, but it's how I feel, so don't fight it too much. So yeah, if you want to sell me a 993 really cheap, I'd love to buy one. And I don't even need a wide body car. I actually love the narrow body cars with the manual. So here's to hoping one day I can make that happen for myself. But in the meantime, let's enjoy a wonderful example of 993 in rest of world specification with X51 power kit and the 3.8 liter engine. Thanks for watching, and always enjoy making Porsche content. So take care, everyone. Bye-bye.